looks like a plate of half-digested food. Oh.
Maybe that's what they call pieces of eight.
That's pieces of eating, you twit.
Don't worry, Daisy. I'll take the blame. I mean, what's he gonna do? Kill me? Here comes George Brutus now. Let me handle this.
What makes you think I can't stop you?
This crucifix.
Oh no, not a crucifix. Oh. I'm sorry, I have to chuckle, but people will think I'm afraid.
You're not?
Of course not. I'm Jewish. My full name is Count Draculestein, so unless you've got a Star of David in there, you're on luck.
Well, I don't have a Star of David. Maybe this will do in a pinch. A pork chop.
Oh no! Oh, this wine! Oh no, that's pork too! Oh no!
Oh, this here must be the lovely number one daughter.
No. This, number 3 son. Uzbekistan. We do not take him out much. No questions, please.